How to install 6-light vintage tiered chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust arms to the proper position. Fix loop onto the top of arms assembly. Insert arms into the joints of iron ring, then tighten screws with Allen wrench. Pass candle sleeves and bobèches through sockets and secure to arms. Attach quick link to chain and loop on the top of arms assembly. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.